Hey guys, welcome to Quick Guide. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I will show you how you can redeem your Walmart gift card. This is going to be a very quick video, not any longer steps involved, so be sure to stick around till the end of the video. First, open any browser in order to go to the Walmart homepage by typing on walmart.com. Once you are directed to the Walmart homepage, you can see three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Tap on it. So here you see the sign in button and create account. If you already have an account, you tap onto the sign in, and if you don't have any, you need to create an account in order to sign into your Walmart account. I already have a Walmart account, so I will directly take you to the sign in page by tapping onto the sign in button. Once you are in the sign in page of your Walmart account, you need to enter your email address. Once you have filled up the information in a sign in page, you need to tap on sign in. Once you tap on it, you have successfully signed into your Walmart account. You need to tap on the three horizontal lines which is located on the top left hand side corner. Here you can see drop down menu with various options. Tap on account. Once you tap onto the account, you land onto an interface like this. Now if you want to redeem your Walmart gift card, you need to go to the payment method, which is in the wallet section. Here you can see add a payment method. Once you tap on it, you see here a different payment method which is associated with Walmart, so you need to go to the gift card and tap on it. Once it directs you to the gift card page, you need to fill up the information here. Here in the card number, you need to put in your 16 digit. If you have a physical gift card, you can get it off of the back of your card, or if you have an e-gift card which was sent to you via email, then it's going to be included in the email confirmation that was sent to you. In the second box, you can enter your PIN digit, which is regularly of 4 digits. In gift card nickname, if you have multiple gift cards, you can put something to refer that particular gift. For example, $5 gift card for birthday or something you want to remember like that. And after doing that, you can just go to the bottom and tap on save card. So that's it for today guys. This was the easiest way to redeem your Walmart gift card. I hope this video was very helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button if it was, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.